What's good, June Squad? It's your boy June. Guys, I'm bringing you a product that was sent to me from Strapinno's. And I'm going to open this up with you guys today. And we're also going to install it on the trailer. So stick around for that. Let's see how good these straps are. So I got two of them here. They sent me two. Whoa. They sent me two. One for each ski, basically. And let's see. Oh, look at these bad boys. So the object is for these straps is that you mount them to the back of your trailer, and you're able to just pull down and pull this latch up. Now, okay, so this has to be all the way down, locked in place. See, it's locked. Now all the way up. Hey. All right, well, I gotta figure this out because I quite don't know how to use these just yet. We're gonna look into that. This is what this whole process is about. We're gonna go ahead and mount this. This is a bracket kit. It comes with two bolts. So I'm taking that, this are the bolts for this actual strap. So we're gonna have to mount that to the actual trailer. Oh, so they sent two sets. Two sets, huh? All right, so there's two sets of bolts, two sets of brackets. I don't know why the brackets, don't know what the brackets are for, but we're gonna figure that out also. It basically says, so it has to be all the way down, okay? While pressing this button here down, you can pull it. You see how easy that was? So that's basically all you gotta do. So while it mounted, you hold the button down and then you pull it to your ski, lock it in place and let it go, and it's tight. And then you press this part and it retracts back in. Oh wow, that's awesome. Dude, I'm gonna tell you, this right here is gonna make my life a hell of a lot easier at the boat ramp. Strapinnos. Yeah, let's go ahead and go install them now. Let's go. All this extra tying up that I got to do because of this excess, which is, it's crazy. You got a lot here. These ratchet straps are so cheap that once you get salt in them, they become a problem to take off. Can you imagine doing this at the boat ramp every time that I put the skis in and out? I gotta beat it up. So what I do is basically just put it up against the trailer here, make sure I got room both sides. I know where I'm gonna put my bolt or my hole right here. So yeah, pretty much right here is where that bolt's going. Most likely I would mark it, but kind of see where the area is at, so I'm gonna go ahead and drill it out. Get a little higher because we've got a washer. Okay, let's do it perfectly as possible. Put the bolt in, line this bad boy up right here. Perfect fit. Gotta get the nut on. Gotta get the nut on. All right, let's mount it. Down, release, lock in. And it straps down like that. Just like that. So it literally took me only like 5 to 10 minutes to mount the first two onto the trailer, and that was super easy. It basically just place them up, drill your hole, and mount it with the bolt. Yeah, I'm so happy with the installation, and it's not even, it's literally happening quick. So we're gonna go ahead and put on the next two and do a little time lapse of that. So I just got done installing the set, well, both sets of the Strapinno two-piece stainless steel ratchet straps, and man, they are so cool because it's so easy to latch your jet ski up, and the installation was a breeze. It took me 5 to 10 minutes to install that bad boy onto the trailer, and that's a great thing. And yeah, I just see how easy it's going to be for me on the ramp. So big shout out to Strapinno for sending me these things. I'm going to put them to very, very good use. I love them. Appreciate that. But to my June squad, guys, if you guys want to purchase any straps, guys, hit the link below in my description. It's going to be an Amazon link. It'll send you straight over to Amazon so you can actually purchase these straps. Yeah, man, and I guarantee you're not going to go wrong. And if you do purchase them, let me know when you see me at a ride or so, or even comment below and let me know what you think about them. But yeah, it's going to be a wrap for me. Again, thank you, Strapinno, and thank you to my June squad. Let's show them some love and go to the link and purchase them if you like. We're out of here. Make sure you like this video, share it, let your boys know we got some better straps out there. Let's go, guys.